Guys, it's Louie and I'm outside, and that's my father's truck, black. Today, it was raining earlier today, and it was very windy too, and I don't know why, because it was windy, and I don't know why the lightning comes in the sky. Just back up a little, third, and I'm waiting for my friend Noah to come play some Xbox. I'm gonna sit at their house. I think that's them. I don't know. No, that's not them. So, yeah, they're gonna come and we're gonna play some WWE 2K16, I think, or we're gonna play some more stuff that we can play on the Xbox because we never saw each other because Noah was out of town. He was in New Orleans a couple days, so now he's coming here to see me. I got very goosebumps. Did you guys see? Oh, I think it's in the back.
You think it's in the back?
Yeah. Oh, my father got a new blue phone.
You want this door open, right? Brian, Louie, move. Come on in the house.
There it comes, guys. Here is the dining room table. This is not a dining room table, actually. What is this, Scott? Which room is this? What room is this?
This is the fancy room.
Oh, this is the fancy room. Bam, 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 bam. I'm gonna show you. So,
Like that?
we got a long chair, no pillows. We got this. We got that. We got some fake diamonds. My balls. Hey, hey.
Okay, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second.
Whoa, guys, I dropped something. Could you guys see it? It's right there. It's right there. Found it. Okay. That's very heavy. There it is. Alright. It's not in there anymore. You guys can see me picking on diving. Hi, Chihuahua. I went over there. I'll get it. Like a lot of Okay. This is another vlog. I'm just waiting for Tiffany, Noah, and Christina to come. What? Just a boring, rainy day. That's all it was, guys. Sorry I recorded today. No. It was a boring, rainy day. Yeah. Just boring days. Boring days. Boring days. Boring days. Hey, you go. Yeah. Right. Pretty much it. Just waiting for my friend to come, and I'll tell you guys to record. I'll show you guys. Bye.